Hola, Jaleesa here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the party, baby. So today I am going to be providing you with a friendly checklist of how to work with an interior designer. For starters, respect their time. Interior designers are often working on multiple projects at one time, and because of this, they have to tightly schedule each project to make sure that everything is getting the proper attention, that things are going to be ordered at time, and that none of the projects are being left behind. Unfortunately, interior designers are unable to steal time from other clients to provide you with immediate assistance. So scheduling consultations to go over any questions you may have or any desires you may have is super important when you're working with an interior designer. As consultations often come with a fee, I would suggest that you as a client make sure that you compile a list so that you can go over this with your interior design and check off each point that is a concern of yours, or give every suggestion that may have come across your mind as you were thinking about your project. Just make sure that you compile that list so that the proper conversation can be had during that consultation time. Make sure you are well aware of everything your interior designer needs from you and be sure to provide them with that. My next point will be to respect their craft. Interior design can often be a gift that interior designers are born with. However, interior designers put in hours of training to make sure that they provide their clients with professionalism, well thought out spaces, and that they are just getting everything that they are desiring out of this interior design experience. The main concern they have is to make sure that their clients are happy with the space that they are helping them to get. So they are not going to steer you in the wrong direction. They want to get the same outcome that you want, which is a beautiful space that fits your character. So trust them along your revamping journey. They know exactly what they are doing. And although interior designers possess many skills, it is important to avoid the assumption that they are housekeepers, carpenters, electricians, plumbers, handymen. Try to make sure that you don't bring that assumption into your frame of thinking when working with an interior designer. Oftentimes, interior designers will hire third-party assistants to help them with specific tasks. There are also times where they may require that the client take over the task themselves to save budget, or they might require that the client hire outside assistants themselves. Respect them financially. Interior designers are people just like you with families and responsibilities. And although they love their career choice and helping others enhance their life as they see fit, they still need to take care of their own personal responsibilities. This is why it's so important to come to an agreed payment plan and price prior to you starting the project. This will help prevent delaying the project, as well as help your interior designer with their personal and business responsibilities. And my next tip will be to respectfully and effectively communicate. Communication is always key, but how we communicate is more important. Always provide clear communication to avoid any misunderstandings between you and your interior designer. And you can do this by providing photos, samples, videos to help explain your vision. And as always, never feel afraid to ask questions if something doesn't make sense to you. At the end of the day, this space is for you, so you should fully understand the process and what is coming into your home. So ask the questions. I hope this friendly checklist helps you to develop a pleasant relationship with your interior designer. And I hope that your projects that you are currently working on or future projects that you plan to work on work out well because you saw this video and decided to take these tips. And if you're looking for an interior designer to help you with your space, you can reach out to me. My information is in the description box below, and I'll be more than willing to help you and work with you on your project. So that concludes this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are feeling spicy, hit that bell, baby, so that you will be notified of my future videos to come. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, now.